Do you want to download unreleased music on your phone and you don't have a computer? In today's video, you'll learn how to download all the unreleased music you want only using your phone. Just like I did, I have a whole playlist of unreleased songs on my Spotify without using a computer. Thank you to Moomoo for making this video possible. When you guys sign up for Moomoo using my link in the description or the comments, you guys can get up to 60 free stocks and 8.1% APY on all your uninvested cash. Just like my song Money Up, 2025 is all about getting your money up, and if you guys want to do that, sign up for a Moomoo brokerage account. It really is the best brokerage account offer out there. I've searched and searched, it's better than all of the competitors. I'll be making a whole video for how to sign up for Moomoo and how to trade using it soon. Sign up for Moomoo today with my link in the description or the comments. Now, I let you guys know that I figured out this method in the last Spotify Files video, and I set a like goal for 100 likes and you guys crushed that. For this video, if we get 100 likes again, I'm going to be making how to upload your own music to Spotify. Now again, all we mean by unreleased music is music that an artist hasn't put out on music platforms, but is still intended for release, such as tied it with merch bundles, or maybe an artist made an exclusive purchasable MP3 on their website and you bought it that way, but as long as you're buying the MP3s and you own the rights to the songs, then you're all good to import the songs into Spotify. And when you buy the merch and you get those extra songs, you can't play them normally on Spotify and you have to do something like this to add them onto your Spotify. Cardi just dropped exclusive songs for IM Music with merch bundles, Yeet did it with 2093, but no matter the reason for the song being unreleased, the one thing you guys do need to know is it needs to be an MP3 file. It can't be a WAV, it can't be a different type of audio file, it has to be an MP3. One last thing I want to note is with the local file songs, you're allowed to play them over Bluetooth, but it doesn't let you stream them to speakers, such as the Alexa. I play music to my Alexa all the time.
Alexa, stop.
But whenever it's a local file Spotify song, it can't do that. It just skips it. So that's something to note. If you're going to use a speaker, it has to be Bluetooth. And with that being known, let's get into it. And here it is. Do you want to download moneyup.mp3? And now at this point, we have the song downloaded. If you guys want to download more music, you can do that right now. Get it all ready before you start putting it into Spotify. Now, this is actually my song. If you guys don't know about it, Money Up is my latest song, and you guys should go stream it. Money Up is on all platforms, along with some other songs. You guys should really go stream my music. I'd appreciate it. But now the next step is to come over to Spotify. Now, I'm on the latest version of Spotify. You guys want to make sure your app is updated because they change things around all the time. Do you guys like buying skins in Call of Duty or Fortnite, but don't like how expensive they are? I have affordable bundles on the Ko-fi shop, link in the description and the comments. I even have 2 Minecraft capes on here. Whether you guys want to pick up a new Fortnite skin or check out one of the many Black Ops 6 bundles we have, I make sure to make all the prices very affordable for you guys. Link will be in the description and the comments. You guys want to tap on your profile picture in the top left, and from here you want to tap on settings and privacy. Once we're in here, you want to come down to apps and devices, and they actually moved it. It used to be somewhere else before. Once you're in apps and devices, you want to scroll down until you see local audio files. Lets you add tracks from this device to your library. You want to turn that on, and once you turn this switch on, now Spotify is going to be able to take music from your local files that are on your phone. We no longer have to use the computer. All those steps are now gone. So now if you come back to your library, and now you guys just want to search for local files. Now when I come here, it says that I have to go to my settings, and this is because we have to still give permission one last time. Right here in settings, it says media and Apple Music. You guys want to check this box. And now when we come back to Spotify, it just downloaded a bunch of songs there because I have music on my phone. And you want to come to local files, and now here are all your unreleased songs that are on your phone. Here are those extra Yeet songs from 2093 I was talking about. And now you guys can add these to a playlist, add them to your liked songs, whatever. They're never going to go away. It doesn't matter because they're always going to be on your phone. But I also recommend downloading the songs in a playlist just like that. You hit the arrow, and now we'll be able to listen to the unreleased music offline. And guys, by the way, don't forget to join the community Discord server. When you first join, it's going to ask you what platforms you're on. Select those. Next, it's going to ask you what topics you want in the server, and here we have unreleased Spotify files, and there's also a bunch of other things we do in the community. But once you guys finish picking your roles and your channels, you guys can head down to the unreleased music chat or the the Unreleased Music forum, and in the forum we have a ton of people that had problems with fixes posted. So if you guys have problems with anything mentioned in the video, or if you have a problem from this video, you guys can come to the Discord and get help here. And shout out to Bing Bing, shout out to I'm Tired, and shout out to Nino in the server. If you guys want to be shouted out in videos, join the community Discord server. I'll see you guys on there. But that's pretty much it for the phone now, guys. We don't really need to be on the phone anymore. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. In today's video, I showed you guys how to download unreleased music onto Spotify just using your phone. If this video helped you, make sure you guys drop a like on the video as well as subscribe to FUZIONHERE. If you guys want more videos on unreleased music for Spotify, like I said, guys, let's crush that like goal so I can make the video showing you guys how to upload your own music onto Spotify, as well as all the other music platforms as well, such as Apple Music, Pandora. If you guys want to learn how to make money off of your own music, let's get 100 likes on this video. Make sure you guys go stream the music. You guys can find me on Spotify, Apple Music, anywhere as JOZHY. I have 4 songs out right now. I haven't released a song in a while, but I am going to release music again soon. And if you guys follow this tutorial and you're running into the issue with Spotify where it's graying out your local file songs, you guys just might benefit from the video in the card right now. In that video, I show you guys how to fix gray local files inside of Spotify. So whether the local files are showing up as gray on mobile or on desktop, that video is going to show you guys how to fix those songs and get them playing inside of your Spotify again. I'm glad to be making some different videos again, videos on Spotify and stuff. I was really caught up making videos on Call of Duty for a while. Anyways, guys, this has been how to download unreleased music on your phone, only using your phone in 2025. If you guys found this video useful, drop a like on it. And yeah, if you guys have any problems with anything mentioned in the video, drop a comment down below. I'll be helping you guys out in the comments as much as I can. But honestly, the Discord is even better because you can send a screenshot of what's going wrong on your app, but in YouTube comments, you can't. And anyways, guys, thank you for watching. This has been Josh for FUZIONHERE, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you to Mumu for making this video possible. When you guys sign up for Mumu using my link in the description or the comments, you guys can get up to 60 free stocks and 8.1% APY on all your uninvested cash. Just like my song Money Up, 2025 is all about getting your money up, and if you guys want to do that, sign up for a Mumu brokerage account. It really is the best brokerage account offer out there. I've searched and searched, it's better than all of the competitors. I'll be making a whole video for how to sign up for Mumu and how to trade using it soon. And I'm also starting a new finance channel where I'll be showing you guys how to make money and the best sign up offers. Sign up for Mumu today with my link in the description or the comments.
I thought that you was with us, but now you're gone. Let me show you